So next morning in Winton, we're just going to rush off, get some brekkie, and then we're heading to Winton today, aren't we? Yeah. On our way ultimately to Birdsville, but Winton today, maybe a little bit further. We'll just see where we get to. Yeah. All right, let's go and get some breakfast. Definitely got to fuel up before we go anywhere. All right, honey, breakfast time. We always seem to be waiting for Clive. All right, honey, let's do it. Off to Winton. Very cool artwork. K's in, first rest for the day.
Flies are bad.
The flies are bad, that means we're getting into the outback.
Yeah.
That's good. Alright, rest done, we're out of here. Welcome to Caulfield. On the dirt. That outback look about it. Beautiful. Coming in the back of Winton. Clive's name written all over it. He's stopping for confirmation for a beer. Alright, so this is where we will be. Let's go and have a quick look. I think Clive's got the mattress on the floor tonight. Only got 2 people cabins, so this will be us. This is cool. Alright, let's unload. Well, we're here at Winton. Another day has come to an end. The 3 of us going to go down the pub, have a nice meal, then an early night because we are hitting the dirt tomorrow. Well, we're just walking up to the pub to have a meal. It looks like it's standing room only. What are we going to do if it's packed?
We'll go to the next pub.
We'll go to the next one, or we have 2-minute noodles.
We'll go to the next pub, to the next pub, to the next pub, if needed.
You two in short. You're mad.
Some of us are tough, Clive. Some of us are soft. He's soft as butter. Check this out for a Winton sunset. Gotta love the outback. Well, as you would have just watched, awesome sunrise at Winton, but today we're off to Middleton. It's in the Diamantina National Park. It's about 200 k's of dirt. We're all looking forward to this, so we're just going to go and get some brekkie, fuel up and hit the road. Fuel up, oh, some more adventure bikes. Brilliant. Alright, on the road again, on the way to Middleton. We'll eventually be at Boulia, maybe not today. Kennedy Development Road, Boulia, that is the way we're off today. Oh, they're grading the road too. Middleton 164, Boulia 357. Well, unfortunately for us, we just stopped and had a chat. Looks like their blacktop is all the way to Middleton. So we're going to do that anyhow. When we get to Middleton, we might hang a left. There's a station in there we can go and have a look at. Dirt road in there. We'll just make that decision when we get there. But for the moment, there's the blacktop. Check it out. Come over, see if I can get a look at these budgies. Check them out. Awesome. Just our first rest stop for the day. Out in the middle of nowhere. Have a look around. Absolutely nothing. It's brilliant. Alright, let's go again. This is a very cool spot to stop. We had a little bite to eat, cold drink, and we're back on the road. Welcome to Middleton. Check this little town out, in the middle of nowhere. hotel there on the left. Very cool.
I found a friend.
A friend?
Yeah.
Oh, a pig. Hello, pig. Oh, and a mate.
Hey. Hello.
Hey, Grunter.
Come here. Hello. Hi. You're cute. Are you a cutie? Have a cuddle?
Cuddle.
Oh.
Love the croc warning. In the middle of the Aussie outback. Love the old coach. Very cool. Got to have a look inside. Check this out.
It's more savory and roasted, okay? Chestnuts, they're more soft.
Very, very cool. Love the old photos.
Sit down with your mate and come in the back door and they're too quiet.
Very cool. Oh well, I think we better have a beer. Well, that's something you don't see every day. Check it out. I bet they're happy to stop for a while. Alright, we're off to Boulia. Had a rest at Middleton. Cool to see the cattle truck rock up. We are off. Another 200 k's down the road. Unfortunately, it's talking to the lady that runs the pub there, it's all tarmac. And it's even tarmac from Boulia to Birdsville, so we've got a bit of blacktop for the next couple of days. But from Birdsville out, it's not. It's definitely dirt. So anyhow, next day or two, blacktop. Wow, what a lookout. Awesome. Quick pit stop. Jackie ran out of fuel. We had to suck some fuel out of Fatso, the Exxon Valdez, out of that 36 litre tank. What do we got? 17 km to go to Boulia. Welcome to Boulia. Downtown Boulia. $370 k's for the day. Awesome day. Jackie got to see a couple of pigs, bunches of budgies. Awesome day. But that is us for the day.